Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to do authentication using Axios, and today I'm going to use the Raja API to test for authentication, where we'll just get an access token using Axios now. So here we'll have our endpoint, which is get from our side, the request and response. Then we'll extract our username and password, because consumer key and consumer secret are just the same as username and password. So we're going to extract the two of them here. So we'll just define or structure that. So you're going to have username and password from our request.body. Here we'll have our request now, which is going to be axios.get. Then we're supposed to send the request to Safaricom URL, so let me write the URL here. And this applies to many other that uses basic authentication. So here we're going to have Auth, and then we'll pass the username and the password. And we'll continue with then. Here we'll have response. Let me just distract to get the data. It's going to be response.json, and what we want to access is the data. Then if we have an error, let's just catch the error here. So we'll have error, which will return status of 500 and JSON of error to JSON, so you can see the error, although this is not good to send to the client. So everything is set. So we have our username and password. So with basic authentication, this is what you have to do. So you don't have just to like convert to base 64 and all that. So let me send this. If I do token, we'll get an error. You can see how the error is formatted, and this is because we have not passed in our username and password. So this is not good to send to the customer. So when we have or when we want now to pass the username and password, then I'm going to copy the consumer key and the consumer secret that I have. So we'll have username and password. We'll go to my guide here. I'll copy my consumer key. Then I'll copy my consumer secret and save it. Then send. And as you can see, we have now our access token. So basically, that's how you use authentication. So the next lesson, we'll look at authentication using bearer token. So, and that will be all that we'll have covered. Then we'll look at interception and others. So thank you very much for watching, and let's meet in our next video.